Noticing weaker coffee or weird behavior from your Siemens EQ6? It might just need a deep clean. Here's your full monthly maintenance guide, no tools needed. By the end of this video, your machine will be cleaner, quieter, and working like new. Step 1. Run a full Calc'n'Clean cycle. Go to Menu, Cleaning and Maintenance, Calc'n'Clean. Follow the prompts and use official Siemens descaling and cleaning tablets. This clears out scale buildup, coffee oils, and internal grime. Step 2. Rinse the brewing unit. Open the right side panel, remove the brewing unit, and rinse it under warm water. Let it fully dry before reinserting. Do not use soap, just water. Step 3. Lubricate the brewing unit if needed. If it's been a month or more, apply food-safe silicone grease to the piston rod and moving arms. This keeps everything sliding smoothly and prevents squeaks or jamming. Step 4. Clean the drip tray and grounds container. Remove both parts, wash them with warm soapy water, and dry them fully. Wipe down the inside of the drip tray slot too. Grime can build up there quickly. Step 5. Replace or reset the water filter. If it's been 2 months or more, replace your Brita or Intenza water filter. Go to Settings, Water Filter, and confirm the new filter so the machine resets its timer. Still having issues after a deep clean? Check your user manual or contact Siemens. We've linked their support page in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more appliance maintenance tips. Got another EQ6 issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing!